Good afternoon. This is Math with Mr. Samuels. Okay, due to limitations of the computer, I'm going to do some examples. However, what I want you to make sure that you understand is that even though I'm not doing my table of values because of limited space and because I'm on a computer, you still need to have your separate sheet of paper where you are showing your work. Okay, make sure you're showing your work. You all remember you're only doing the even problems tonight for homework, so that's 2 through 16 even. Now let's go ahead and dive into an example. Okay, so I'm going to start at number 3. Okay, do number 3 as an example. Okay, so when we substitute in -2 here for x, we will end up with something that looks like this: -4 times parentheses -2. Okay, close parentheses. And anytime we have a double negative, okay, we're always going to have a positive. So -2 times -4 is going to be +8. Okay, -4 times -1 is going to be +4. 0 times anything is always just 0, and 2 times -4 is going to be -8. So now we need to go ahead and graph it. Okay, -2 and +8. So we're up here. Okay, make that point a little bigger, and also erase this as well. Okay. So 2, -2, +8. Good. -1, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right here, 0, 0. That's at the origin. And we have 2, -8. So 2, -8 down here. Okay, so now we just need to connect those dots. Obviously, mine is not going to be straight because I'm doing it on the computer, but you guys should get the point. Make sure you use some type of ruler, straight edge, so that you can graph those accurately. And this is what our line for this function looks like. Okay, let's do one more. Let's do one with a fraction. Okay, so number 7. Okay, number 7 has y equals x over 2, or x divided by 2, plus 7. So when we plug this in, the first one we're going to plug in, we're going to have -8 over 2. And remember, fractions are the same as division problems. So -8 divided by 2 is just -4. And -4 plus 7 is 3. Okay, keeping it moving. -6 over 2 is just -6 divided by 2, which is -3. And -3 plus 7 is 4. Okay, -2 divided by +2 is -1, and -1 plus 7 is 6. Okay, and last but certainly not least, 0 plus 7 is just going to be 7. Okay, so now we need to plot these. We need to graph these. So -8, +3. 1, 2, 3 is going to be right here. Okay, let's make that a little bigger. Okay, -6, 4. So -6, -6, 4. 1, 3, 4. Okay, then we have -2, 6. And last but certainly not least, we have 0, 7. Okay, so 0, 7 is going to be right here. So now we just need to draw our graph. And like I said, obviously my line is not straight because I'm doing it on the computer, but yours should be straight because you should be using some type of straight edge. Maybe it's a ruler, maybe it's an ID, maybe it's a badge, whatever the case may be. It does not matter. And this is how our line looks. So once again, please make sure that you're showing your work on a separate sheet of paper. Please make sure that you are only doing the even ones. And please make sure you have both papers with the graphs and the tables complete, ready to hand in Monday. This is Math with Mr. Samuels. Have a wonderful weekend, and make sure you do your homework. Also, don't forget to press done on this video, and do not forget your SOL prep. Have a great day, people.